muna kami kasi late na kami nagising. Currently 12 PM na. Nandito pa kami sa malapit sa amin, sa hotel. Let's eat the noodles.
Big dindas.
Big noodles.
Yes. Mommy will give you the noodles. This one po.
What's this giant pumpkin for?
So hot? So hot?
All pumpkins are made like this.
Or here. Okay.
Andito kami ulit sa Gardens by the Bay. Saan nga tayo? Pupunta muna kami ng Cloud Forest and then Flower Dome para magamit na namin yung ticket namin. Currently, it's already day... Anong day na natin? Day 8. Day 8 na. At naghihingalo na ang aming budget. Malayo pa. Ang init. Ayan yung Marina Bay Sands.
De hecho,
Ayan, nandito na kami sa loob ng Cloud Forest. Ganda. Buti na lang may aircon dito sa loob. Super init. Ayan, Jurassic World. Tapos nandito sa loob ng Cloud Forest. What's that, Zach?
Look at the waterfall.
That's a waterfall and a dinosaur. Yan si Colette. Si Colette.
and a T-Rex display.
Asan? May gumagalaw dun.
Natakot si Chuck yun.
Si Zach. Matatakotin pa naman to si Zach. Kahapon sumakay kami ng roller coaster. Kala namin hindi siya pang bata. Kasi pwede siya eh. Kala namin pala pang bata. Kasi pwede siya.
Naka, what's that?
Ang bilis pala. Naku, what's this? Naku, there's a T-Rex. Wow! makikita na dito yung Marina Bay Sands, tapos yung Super 3 Group. Nandito kami ngayon sa Cloud Walk. Look! It's a dino egg.
Mommy, let's go.
Jump!
Mommy, let's go. Mommy, let's go.
Parang ito isang floor lang. Parang isang floor lang.
Say cheese.
Cheese.
Si Cheese, okay. Where are we? Tell where are we?
Monster truck.
What's the name of your monster truck?
This color rainbow.
Is that a rainbow?
No, that's white only. White and black.
Look white and black wheels. This goes a black engine. This goes boom boom.
Tingnan yung picture ni Zach, oh. Takot na takot siya sa T-Rex. Who's that, Zach?
Look, that's Kuya Zach.
Why is Kuya Zach crying?
Why is Kuya Zach crying?
Look, this Sam.
Scared of?
Dinosaur.
Bro. Currently, nandito kami sa Flower Dome. So, ngayong August, ang theme nila is yung Orchid Extravaganza. Ayun. Ito na yung last stop namin dito sa may Gardens by the Bay. Ayan, after namin mag Gardens by the Bay, pumunta lang kami dito sa Chinatown. Kumain na kami. Hindi lang ako nakapag-vlog. Super init eh. Ayan. Bili lang kami ng pasalubong. Nakakain na kami. Super init kasi ngayon medyo okay na, may hangin-hangin na. Ayan. Ayun na, may temple
Uy, mo
na.
si Zach oras na.
Ay, baba na tayo. Bili na tayo ng pasalubong din. Balik na kami ng hotel kasi maglo-laundry pa kami. Ayun yung gusto mo yung parang ano yan, mga puti. Dami na nating nakain. Ito yung magandang Starbucks. Tapos may mga murals lang siya. Super cute ng Starbucks dito. Purple and pink. Napaka-girly naman. Diretso lang tayo, no? Ayan. Parang may mga store pa dun, oh. Yung dito. Today is a Monday ulit. Ayan, late na kami nag-start ng day. Around 7 p.m. na. Sama lang kami sa mga office mates ni DJ. Hi, Zach!
Hi, Zach.
Anong day na ba namin? Day 9 yata? Oo, day 9. Zach, you wait. Pupunta lang ulit kami ng Chinatown kahit nga karating na kami kahapon. Gusto kasi nila pumunta dito. So, dagdag na lang din kami ng mga pasalubong. Kasi masarap yung food.
Are we a time?
Come here.
Mommy, are we a time?
Okay. Yan, nandito kami sa Chinatown. Nag-train lang kami. Dako.
You took my hat like basketball. So it's like they're going retro.
Papunta kami Maxwell Food Center.
I want to try it. Later? Okay.
Durian?
Durian.
Oh.
Pig.
Hi guys, it's currently our day 10 here in Singapore. So, time check, 11:30 na. Ngayon lang kami lalabas ni Zach. Ang gagawin namin ngayon is punta kami ng Sentosa ulit para sa Singapore Oceanarium. Yan, palabas pa lang kami ng hotel. Let's go to the left. So, mag-lunch muna kami dito sa malapit sa amin. Tapos, punta na kami ng Singapore Oceanarium. Ayan, nandito na kami. Kain muna kami ni Zach. Ayan, nandito na kami ni Zach sa Singapore Oceanarium. Ang dilim na.
This after deep in the sea.
What's that? Deep in the sea? Is that sea creatures? So cute.
Yeah, so cute. 怎么游的这么高呀？那他们
Zach, what is this? Yeah. Grabe, ang ganda. Oh, ang daming view. Enjoy na si Kuya Zach.
Elles font des dents dessus.
Ano yan, Zach? What's that?
Look, that's cute with the fish. Look, there's a big rock in the fish. Look, there's a big rock on the fish. It's really hot.
Look at the fish. It's pretty.
There's a selfie.
Hirap na hirap kami pumasok dito. Nakita kasi niya itong malaki na to. Takot siya agad.
Look at the selfies. Look at the selfies.
Yeah, this is small fish. It's very small.
Look, this freeze, this elephant.
Let's go inside. And what's this?
Look, that's 10 feet. Look, that's 10 feet.
So far, nag-enjoy naman si Zach dito. Ayan, buti nandito kami, lamig-lamig naman.
It will be a bit ticklish, but it's alright. If you feel a slight pain, just remove your hand. It's coming?
Zach, you want to
你
touch?
看那个小在我的手，
No. And so.
啊，还在我的手，你看两只，
这是手对。
还没有咬完，
Giving mommy a
That's my hand,
hand
okay?
spa.
爬上来了。
Inside.
Parang glow in the dark yung kulay lang. Go inside, Zach. What's inside? Oh, there it is. Look. Let's be careful. Ayan, nakabalik na kami ni Zach sa hotel. After namin pumunta ng Singapore Oceanarium, pumunta kami dun sa connecting na Vivo City na mall. Tapos bumili lang kami ng bread. Yan, show your bread. What's that? The
Chocolate.
chocolate. Ayan, bumili lang kami ng mga bread. Sa Japanese bakery. Oh, eat your bread now. Kanina pa kasi siya nagre-request ng ng chocolate donut. So, yan, binilan ko lang siya. Currently, it's already 5:30 p.m. Tapos, mga 6 p.m. nandito na si EJ.